Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have covered chapter number 3, 3-digit numbers, pages 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 and 27. That is your counting from number from 100 till 1000, right? Now, we will be covering page number 28, 29, 30 and 31. That is numbers and numbers name, your before, after and between, right? So, write the numeral for each of the following, right? So now you have to write the numeral. First is your 278. So you will write 110 0. So 200. So below 100 place you will write 2, right? Then it is saying it's 78. That is your tens and ones digit are combined together. So you will write here as 78. So your number is 278, right? Second, B part is 764. So again you will write ones, tens, 100, 700. So under 100 place you will write 7. Then it is saying 64. So you will write 64. So it's 764, right? Now another one says 419. Again you will write ones, tens, 100, 400. So below 100 place you will write 4, and then it says 19. So you will write 19, right? So number is 419, right? Now you have to write the number names for each of the following, right? So this is 105. Again you will write ones, tens, 100. So 1 is under 100 place, so you will write 100. And it says at below tens place it's 0, and and below ones place it's 5. So you will say 105, right? Now you have to write for 921, right? Again you will write ones, tens, 100, right? So under 100 place it's 9, so you will write 900. You will combine these two numbers, right? So you will say 21, and you will use a hyphen in between for joining two numbers, right? So similarly you have this page number 28 and 29. You can write down the numeral for each of the following, and we'll share the solution with you, right? So you have to, in page 28 you have to write the numeral for each of the following, and in page 29 you have to write the number names for each of the following, right? You will do for all of these. Like for 802 you have to write the number name. So you will write here as ones, tens, 100. So below 100 place it's 8, so you will write 800, and then it's 2, so you will write 2, right? You can practice this, and then we will share the solution with you. Now you can you have already done the counting from 100 till 1000. So you can, this is saying it, fill in the missing numbers and complete each pattern, right? So you can just do this as a homework assignment, right? Now next is before, after and between concept, right? You have to write the number which comes just before, right? So you have to write the number which comes before 701. Now I've drawn a timeline. You can write the counting from 700, 700, 701, 702, 703, 704, 705, 706, right? Now it's asking the number which comes before 701. What comes before 701? That is 700. So you will write here as 700, right? Now next it says what comes before 706. Now what comes before 706? That is 705. So you will write here as 705, right? Similarly you can do the other. Now write the numbers which comes just after. Now you have to write the number which comes after, right? So you'll have again drawn the timeline. You will write the counting 300, 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306. Right? Now you have to write the number which comes after 300. So after what comes after 300? After 300 is 301. So you will write here as 301. Right? What comes after 303? So if you will check what comes after 303, that is 304. So you will write here as 304. Right? Now you have to write the numbers which comes in between. Right? The numbers which comes in between. So if you have to write the number which comes between 122 and 124. So again I have drawn the timeline. I have written the counting 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. Right? You have to write the number which comes. If you will check here, what is the number which is coming? This is 122 and this is 124. Right? What is coming between these two numbers? That is 123. Right? So you will write here as 123. Right? Now the next is between 126 and 128. This is my 126 and this is my 128. Right? Now you have to write the number which comes between both of these numbers. So what is the number which is coming in between both of these? That is your 127. So you will write here as 127. Right? So there are a few more examples in the book which we can do as your homework. Page number 28, 29, 30 and 31, and we'll share the solution with you soon. Thank you. Take care. Stay safe.